You didn't build your third Gen Cummins to cut corners, so why settle for gauges that don't match? MaxTow Match 3rd Gen Cummins gauges are designed to blend seamlessly into any 2003 to 2009 Dodge Ram. With a factory-style white dial, clear flat lens, and illuminated red needle, they look like they came straight from the stock cluster. But it's not just about looks. These 2 1/16" gauges feature our signature double vision display, delivering analog and digital readings with precision. And with teal lighting matched to your factory cluster, everything stays sharp, consistent, and easy to read day or night. Lock in your setup even further with 3 daytime and 3 nighttime dimming modes for perfect visibility in any conditions. Monitor what matters: boost, EGT, trans temp, fuel pressure, and rail pressure, all while maintaining your interior's factory style. MaxTow Match 3rd Gen Cummins gauges. Get ready to hit the road and tow to the max.